Are you starting a new company or brand? Here are my 3 best tips to make sure you choose your name wisely and protect it correctly. Number 1, do the research to ensure you don't infringe on any competitors' names. This could cause nasty lawsuits later if your name is too similar. For research, I use uspto.gov. Number 2, before you register the name, be sure to research URL options and social media handles as well. Even if you think the name is great, if you can't get a good handle or website URL, it will be tougher in the long run for SEO and social media growth. Number 3, you are now registered and the logo is in the works. And this is the secret sauce, guys. You can copyright the name and trademark the logo, but if you join the name and the logo together, you can get the trademark on both. And this will provide more strength from copycats. Remember, you want to assume success in the business, and these 3 steps will get you started, but more importantly, make you bulletproof as you grow. Okay, so we have the plan. Let's go.